Hi friends, this is Anne. In today's class, we are going to learn about division. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Arithmetic operations. What is an arithmetic operation? An arithmetic operation is a branch of mathematics that involves the study of numbers. Operations of numbers that are useful in all the other branches of mathematics. This arithmetic operations comprises of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, division is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. Now let us see some signs for division. So this is a divided sign. And this is a slasher sign and can also be used in division. For example, in 8 divided by 2. So this is a divided sign. Instead of this divided sign, we can write 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 8 divided by 2. Each part involved in a division equation has a special name. So you should always remember dividend, divided by, divisor, equals, quotient. So this is quotient. Okay, so dividend divided by, divisor equals quotient. So a dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. A divisor is the number by which dividend is being divided. And quotient is a result obtained in the division process. Now let's see a division equation. So in this division equation, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 18 is the dividend. As you know, the dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. And 3 is called the divisor. The number which dividend is being divided is the divisor. And the result is quotient. Quotient is a result obtained in the division process. Now we will see about remainder. In division there is a term called remainder, and this remainder is represented by an R. So it can be represented by the letter R. R stands for remainder. In this division problem, if you see, 83 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor, 41 is the result, and that is a quotient, and the remainder is 1. The remainder is the portion of the dividend. So it's a portion of the dividend that is left over after division. So what is the remainder? It is a portion of the dividend that is left over after the division. How to divide 83 divided by 2? So 83 divided by 2 equals what? So let's write the dividend 83 like so, and outside this big parenthesis we have to write the divisor, which is 2, and let's do this division problem. How to do this division problem? 2 times what will be 8? We know 2 times 4 is 8. So let's write 4 in the place of the quotient. That's the quotient place. So 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. The next step is subtraction. So we have to subtract these two numbers. Okay? So same number minus same number, we know it is 0. The next step is we have to bring this 3 down here. Okay? So if we bring that 3 down here, becomes like so. So now we have to see 2 times what? 2 times what will become 3 or less than 3? So we know 2 times 1 will become 2, right? Which is less than 3 or should be equal to 3. So here 2 times 1 is 2. So write 2 over here, and the next step is subtracting these two numbers. So when we subtract 3 minus 2, we get 1. So 1 goes here. So in this problem, 1 is the left over, right? The portion of the dividend that is left over is 1. Okay, so the 1 is the remainder. What is called 1? 1 is called the remainder. So we can write it as R equals 1. Remainder equals 1. Let us see some facts about division. So, when we divide any number by 1, for example, let me write 10 divided by 1, the answer will be always the original number. That means the answer must be 10. 20 divided by 1, the answer must be always equal to the dividend. So it must be 20. So when dividing something by 1, the sum number by 1, the answer will always be the origin number. That means if the divisor is 1, the quotient will always be equal to the dividend. Okay? When dividing same number by same number, it is always equal to 1. For example, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Same dividend. So, same dividend and the divisor is always 1. And division by 0 is undefined. Thus, division is the process of taking a whole item or a set of items and splitting or dividing them into equal groups.